Hello and welcome to Tech Bites by Tom. My name is Tom, and today we're going to show you how to use Simple Checkbook, written by Joe Barta, and how you can use this with either OpenOffice or Microsoft Excel. So you'll first off go to the website http://pagetutor.com/checkbook, and you'll find the little template. You can open it up and save it as, go under File, Save As, and save it as ODF spreadsheet if you're using OpenOffice, and it'll work just as well. OpenOffice is, of course, a free open source application where Microsoft Excel is not. And over here, you see in the template, it shows you the placeholder for the checking account number. I prefer not to use the whole account number. Rather, take the first 6 digits and simply put little stars, and then put just the last 3 digits kind of thing, or you can just put the last 4 digits rather. Put the last 4 digits like that. Okay. But this is the template that you'll start with. I've already gone ahead and created, here we go, some entries. So here we have our paycheck. Okay, paycheck came in. We wrote our tithe check, and some groceries, movie, water bill, lawn mowing, gas, and dining out. Okay. So let's say we're going through our statement. Okay. So it says to reconcile, enter your balance according to the bank. So we'll start off and we'll enter that figure right here. Okay. The bank says we have $703.93. So that, there's an error of $699.40. So we go ahead and we reconcile it. So the bank says that pretty much everything except LCC here, Bob Smith, and Pizza Palace have cleared the bank. So we'll put little X's. And by the way, it's not case sensitive. Makes no difference whether it's a uppercase or lowercase x there. Whoops, I just said that LCC had not cleared. So that's cleared, that's cleared, that's cleared, that's not cleared, and that is cleared. So when we hit that, notice our checkbook balance is down to 0. So what I've done is the entries are rather simple in this. It's just a checkbook register. It's not a fancy, software like Quicken or QuickBooks, that can sort out different categories. What I do is I just put the name of the payee here, in parentheses I put what the purpose is: tithes, groceries, movie, water bill, lawn mowing, gas, dining out, for example. Okay, so that's how that works. Now you can also do some things like this that are a real pain sometimes with a regular checkbook. Let's say that Bob gives you a call and he says, hey, I just got this check for $20 for lawn mowing. It's actually $25 that you owe me. So he gives you the check back and writes void all over it. Okay, Bob, no problem. We'll write you a check for $25. So what we do is we will basically, today's the 9th. Okay, so we can go 10/9, and we can take that check here. Let's see, 18, and we will write in Bob. And one of the nice things, I just use caps, so that way less typing there, less keystrokes. Okay, and 25 is what we're going to give Bob. There. Okay. Now what about this $20 here? Oh, okay, here we go. So we'll void that. Void it basically by going like this, and then hit F2 allows you to format your field, and then I just go put a little void right in here. Void, right there. And you want to make sure you clear that entry as well. Okay, and there it is. Okay, so the balance, as you can see, carries over through past that transaction, and you're all set. So if you want more information, you can go right to Joe Barta's website. He's done up a really nice website at that address, and you can see all the details of other possible scenarios that you may have. But this was just kind of a little quick thing, and somehow, there we go. Yeah, see here he goes into, that's where you download. It's actually a zip file, but you can open it up and blah blah blah. So there it is, and you can actually email him if you have any suggestions or comments on this fine work. So I hope that was helpful to you. And again, this has been another Tech Bites by Tom. Thank you much. Just close out of all this here. It's always good to save your work, by the way. And that's that.